What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the Samsung Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus join the Galaxy S23 Ultra in uninspiring dimensions and display specifications leaked. A few months before the official announcement, the specifications of the display of the Samsung Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus and Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphones appeared on the network. Their premiere is expected in early 2023. The new Samsung Galaxy S23 line will be very much like the Galaxy S22 series in terms of dimensions and display specifications. According to a well-known leaker, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra's alleged measurements have already been shared, and it appears the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus will also be similarly uninspiring in this area at least. Anyone hoping that perhaps the Samsung Galaxy S23 basic model could be more of a compact smartphone than the Galaxy S22, or that the Galaxy S23 Ultra could possibly pack all its powerful components in a trimmed down 6.7 inches frame, will be disappointed by the supposed dimensions and display specifications recently posted by leaker Ice Universe. The same source already offered up some rather insipid information about the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra in regard to its dimensions and display. And now the tipster has produced the same details via social network Weibo concerning the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus with the dimensions, width, height, depth as in the video. As can be seen, there are clearly no major design differences from the Galaxy S23 series that are at least made obvious by the purported dimensions information. The same can also be said for the reported screen diagonal measurements and display resolution that Ice Universe has also revealed. All the specifications are identical, which points to one of two conclusions. Ice Universe source is mistaken, or Samsung is quite satisfied with recycling the design of the Samsung Galaxy S22 line for the most part, and has likely focused more on the innards for the Galaxy S23 range. Back in August, Ice Universe Insider reported that fans should not expect anything new from the next generation flagship series. The new information regarding the screens confirmed this nether statement. The Samsung Galaxy S23 and the Galaxy S23 Plus will feature 6.1 inches and 6.6 inches Full HD Plus OLED panels respectively. The display of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will be built on the basis of a QHD Plus matrix, the diagonal of which will be 6.8 inches. Galaxy S22, Galaxy S22 Plus and Galaxy S22 Ultra have identical characteristics. The latter seems to be more probable at the moment, as the leaker has frequently discussed how Samsung has merely made the design in the Galaxy S23 Ultra a little more refined and squared off in a manner that was recently shown off in some excellent concept renderings. There are expectations that the Samsung Galaxy S23 line could be released in February next year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.